Normally you'd want to take all the body parts off, but since this has been amateurly restored before, I don't really trust the amount of tension that I can put on these joints that they put in here, because these are not original. So I'm going to leave them for now, unless it proves to be impossible to get around. And it's important to turn it around and around in all directions, because chances are there's a spot you missed, just like right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there on the thumb is a spot that I missed. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to clean this off underneath, because if you don't clean that off and you're painting it like I am, which I don't recommend, I would recommend putting it on a stick, then it's going to peel the paint off the other side of the doll that you just painted.